Good morning, everybody. It's now May 6th, 2020. Time now is 6:05 a.m. Let you guys know the sun rises at 6:17. So we're like 12 minutes away from sunrise, everybody. That's my east right there. This is northeast right here. Now I'm going to come back a little bit. We're going to see where that sun's going to set. Or rise, I'm sorry. Like I say, this is northeast. See that tree right there? I'm going to come back. I'm going to take a look at it. Look at this. Red iron oxide. The trails. Look at that trail. That's the east right there, everybody. Like I say, remember this tree right here. It's northeast. But look at this. Definitely not normal. Look back over here to the west, you can even see red iron oxide up there. It ain't showing up very good, but it's going on an angle here like that. Okay, now I'll be back just to show you guys where the sun's gonna come. Like I say, this northeast. Wow, just so amazing. Okay, we'll be back. That's my north, everybody. Look at all the color in the north. It's all pink. Northwest. But yeah. Be right back. Alright, everybody, I'm back. Let's take a look at where my tree was. Okay, here's the tree I was talking about. It's northeast. So here's our sunrise. Wow. Okay, everybody, I guess that's going to be it. I just had to share that with you guys. Pretty crazy looking sunrise. There's to the north, my north sky. So I'm going to go ahead and end it now, everybody. I just wanted to get on here and film this for you guys. Sun ain't even the right shape, is it? Alright, everybody. Just want to say have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more. Oh, take care, everybody. Catch us later.